What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be installing 6 turbos on the truck. Where's the truck? So obviously this is not my truck. This is a 2009 Challenger SRT8 with a Pro Charger and methanol. We'll get into where exactly my truck is right now in a second, but first, let's go for a ride. Happy place. About to get some food.
Sweatshirt.
95 degrees, down tooth on a sweatshirt.
Oh no, don't like that.
Car looks sick.
Yeah, I think you have to have a mask.
There's like a lot of food.
Look at it.
This definitely isn't a crew cab, huh? Don't worry, guys, the truck is not gone. I did trade it technically, but it's coming back later today, so it's okay. This car actually belongs to my buddy Biggs. I'll link his Instagram in the description. You guys can go follow him. This is a sick car. So we decided to trade for the day. I have to drop it off later today. He's out and about driving the big old truck around, probably breaking all the necks, sending everybody to the hospital. Sorry. That's something I definitely noticed today. This car gets attention from car people, but the truck, no matter who you are, pretty much everybody stares and everybody takes pictures of the trucks. This is a little more low-key, which is kind of nice. It's kind of nice driving and not being filmed and paparazzi to everywhere you go, which is so a little bit annoying sometimes. I've never owned a car. This is the fastest car I've ever even driven. So shout out to Biggs for letting me whip his car around for a day. I hope he's enjoying my truck as much as I'm enjoying his car. It's definitely cool to go from a 20-inch lifted truck to a pretty fast Challenger with a Pro Charger. It's a whole different world. I am being 100% respectful of this car, even though it has 305 tires in the back. It will put you in a ditch if you're not careful. .61 Hemi Pro Charger. Thing's nasty. These seats are probably one of the most comfortable seats I've ever sat in. This material is really smooth and great. The exhaust sounds awesome. It looks to be pretty much a straight pipe. Here's what it looks like to drive this thing. It is an automatic, which is pretty awesome. The Pro Charger sounds awesome. It's got some gauges. This is just an awesome car to drive. You definitely have to have a sunroof, then you have to keep it tilted all the time. I love the look of the sunroof, it's pretty great. And of course, every car has to have a backup camera. It's a must. These windows are small, smaller than a truck at least, but it's definitely not as small as like a Camaro. I've driven a Camaro, like a 2010. Those are a lot more boxy and it feels like you're driving a tank. This is way more open. I enjoy driving this way more than I drove the Camaro. Look at that duo. Imagine if this was actually mine next to Kaylee's truck. They look pretty good together.
So this is all you're getting of my face. Because I did sleep a lot last night and I look like bad. But here's my review for the car. 8 out of 10. Because it's not orange. The seats are comfortable. I like that.
Yeah.
opposite. It still feels like you're driving a truck. And one of the reasons I'm scared to go back to having a car is because I'm scared it's gonna feel like a go-kart. Because when I drive cars, they feel like go-karts.
Yeah, this doesn't really feel like a go-kart. It's heavier, so.
These mirrors are small.
Yeah, but all car mirrors are small. Well, yeah, we're used to big truck tones,
Yeah,
so.
I don't know.
You still see it.
Yeah.
Like I said earlier, it's not like the Camaro. It's not like a tank. It feels like like the windows are pretty darn big.
Yeah.
The Camaro was like half of this. It felt like this shifter. It like how it's your hand. I think that's pretty dope. I haven't seen a shifter like that before.
And it says Challenger on
Yeah.
it.
I don't know if it's custom
That's
or
pretty
it comes
cool.
like that. I don't know. It's dope.
I don't know. When Gabe gets on it, I'm not afraid for my life. But that's okay.
Nothing really scares you. So.
No, I literally, if you guys have been to Six Flags Great America and you know what Goliath is, that's my favorite. And it feels like your entire body is just flailing in the wind as you go down, and that's for fun. So I don't know if a car could scare me.
Yeah, I could probably get a 1,000 horsepower drag car, and you'd be like, eh.
The only reason if I get scared in cars is if I feel like we're gonna crash.
Yeah.
Like going fast is not gonna make me like. It's like if we were going fast and then I don't know something was happening and it got scary, but
Yeah, you're hard to see.
the car itself cannot scare me.
Yeah, it's depressing.
It is kind of depressing. Because I want to be like one of those annoying girls who's like, oh my god, it's so fast. Oh my god, it's so cool. But I'm just like,
Cool.
what were we talking about again?
8 out of 10. You like it. I like
Yeah.
it. But I think... I don't know if I should tell him. It's a secret. Just know. Something might be coming.
Maybe.
Obviously, I like trucks, and I like cars, and I like motorcycles and dirt bikes and blah, 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 blah. But I've never actually owned a car, and I think I want to make that happen. Comment down below what car you think I should look at getting, whether it's a Corvette, Camaro, whether it's a Corvette, Mustang, Camaro, Charger, Challenger. So let me know what you guys think I would look good in, and what you guys would like to see as a build for the channel, because obviously I would do something crazy to it. I've been looking at a Corvette drag car type build, or maybe like a wide body Mustang. That'd be kind of cool. So comment down below your thoughts. I'd like to hear them. You guys have good ideas.
Say ZL1.
Say ZL1.
12 seconds later.
I got a new car. That thing is sick. That's the cleanest black car I've ever seen.
They literally just got a new car. And now they have my dream car, except I wouldn't get it convertible, but like,
That thing's bad.
it hurts to watch other people live your dreams.
Thanks for watching.